I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the camera rig and immediate keyframes. Open Moon Animator, load your scene, and select the camera rig. Lock the character hierarchy so the camera moves independently. Next, set project frame rate to 24 or 30 FPS. This affects motion feel. Place the camera where your shot starts and add a keyframe at frame 0, then move to the next timing point and add a second keyframe. Once done, scrub the timeline to confirm the basic path is recorded and playable. You now refine the motion using the graph editor and easing. Open the curve view and select the camera's position and rotation channels. Change tangents to Bezier for organic movement or to linear for mechanical motion. Add intermediate keyframes to shape speed. Shorter segments speed up the camera, longer segments slow it. Use 0. 5 handle offsets for subtle arcs, and set look at targets or constraints to keep focus on characters. Once these edits are made, play the clip at full speed to feel the pacing and adjust curves until smooth. You finish by baking, exporting, and troubleshooting the camera animation. If you used constraints or dynamic rigs, bake the motion to convert driven transforms into keys, then lock those keys so they remain stable. Configure render output, resolution, frame rate like 60 or 30 FPS, and enable motion blur sparingly for realism. Export the camera or animation clip to your project. If the camera jitters, check for overlapping keyframes, mismatched interpolation, or conflicting parent transforms. Reset problem channels to Bezier and rebake to resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.